drive right there. Look at that. Hey, good morning. Where are we at?
We are at Prairie Canyon.
Fern Canyon.
No, but we're in Prairie
Creek.
Yeah.
Redwoods National Park.
I don't know where we are.
Yeah, in Fern, and we're walking in the Fern Canyon Trail right now. The road up is pretty nice. It's they say it's stream crossing, but it's like a glorified puddle. If you got anything like I saw a Camry, so you could drive down anything. Just be careful. So.
There's a stream, depending on weather, you might not be able to go through, even in your Camry.
It's true.
But it's fine right now.
So, all right, we'll catch you later.
These views might look familiar, either from the Jurassic Park movies or from Little Ewok Land in Star Wars. Keep a lookout for Ewoks. They eat people. Can you imagine 60 million years ago? You'd get a Mr. T-Rex poking his little head out, chasing you. Now it's just me.
So, I got a question for you.
Well, yeah.
No? You gotta say yeah?
Yeah.
So, out of all the national parks in Northern California, Lassen or Redwoods, which one do you like more?
Of course, I love Lassen, the least visited national park. But Manzanita Lake is amazing. Kayaking, like you can't really beat that unless you're in JT.
It's hard to beat this though, Leila.
Yeah, I think I love every national park specifically for what they're national parks for. Like
Yeah.
Redwoods is amazing because of the redwoods. Like it's just, I don't know, the different terrain.
Going under.
Animals that live here. What do you call it? The biosphere.
The biosphere.
It's the UN declared it a
World Heritage Site, right? Or
Yes.
something like that.
So I'd say it's more of a, not a national park, it's a world park.
Yeah, you can't really choose favorites, I guess, right? Everyone has their own unique individual.
Yeah. What would you say?
I'd say, obviously, Lassen. I was born up in Shasta County, so I have
Bias?
obvious bias there, but it's still, nonetheless, it's still beautiful. But I don't know why we're talking about Lassen when we are in the redwoods. Look at that.
Amazing.
Fucking cool, man. A little circle. You get in up on this action. Oh, that's super bright.
That's what happens when... dinosaurs. Fallen trees. was an article not too long ago, about a year ago. Some guy died from a tree fall. Some Final Destination shit. But when it's your time to go, I mean, I kind of feel like I'm doing whatever. It's gonna be on John's channel. If you guys could the views though. It's probably 60 degrees. Check after this. It does feel like my apartment though. Graham crackers.
What are you using that camera for, man?
Just capturing stuff for stock footage sake.
For sure.
Make sure you keep a lookout for signs. Especially now. You can keep a pretty good distance. There's a bunch of people on the trail, but everyone's very respectful, staying away. If you do have to come within the 6 foot, which you really shouldn't, we've got our masks with us. And I've seen most of the people on the trail, they're carrying. COVID, man. COVID. Fern grows. Did you ever read that book?
Yeah, I did.
I mean, I know we're supposed to, but Spark Notes. Am I spinning too fast? Whoa! Hey! Still got that fog coming in. Redwood trees actually get a third of their water supply just from the fog, which is why there's a danger for the redwoods because of climate change affecting the fog. If you get less fog because of climate change, you get less moisture going to the redwoods, which adversely affects them. But no redwoods to be seen. We're actually at the beach. You can see coastal. You can see the beach. This is the Pacific. The wind's probably giving shitty voice.
I'm gonna just go around the bush real quick.
America's Parks. We got a division of America's Parks over here, fans. We always call you America's Dad. We keep up, we comment, we love. Got a bumpy road. Make sure you're prepared for a bumpy road. It's about a 30-minute drive from camp. Prairie Creek Campground. So plan accordingly. And make sure you have directions. We got lost. Or went the wrong way first. Because I lost a map. Make sure you always ask for directions wherever you go. It's easy to plan stuff. Gives you good info. Very bouncy. It's actually more bouncy. I'm trying to offset it, but let's see. Not offsetting it. Okay, well that area was just bad. We're actually going. You can't really see, but the Pacific's on our right. The redwoods eventually are on our left.
Tell me you love me again, just for a second, just till the end. I need to get this inside my head, just so I know that it's no pretend. When I close my eyes, it feels like forever. Keep me alive, or maybe it's better. Oh, 'cause I'm wasted on this love thing and my head hurts from all this overthinking, making love work. We're driving down the same road at full speed. Feels like I'm dreaming, and somebody stop me. Tell me you want me one more time. Tell me everything's gonna be fine. I wasted on this love thing.
Ooh, if we're going back to the visitor center, do you have a face mask? Huh?
In my pack.
Oh, I don't have mine. We need to walk back.
The face of COVID anger. It's a campsite. Here's the trail. Okay, just tripped. Almost died. Probably keep that in. Whew. Get the blood rolling. Pro tip. Trip before your walk and you're warmed up. Because you freak out. Thinking you're gonna die. Like that could really, well actually, note to self. I meant tripping. Note to self. I'm gonna Google if people have died from tripping. Like, what height would be like 5 feet, right? I don't know. We get the wonderful babbling sounds next to our sleeping quarters.
Yeah, you know how we kind of went up? There has to be like a big granite wall. If we go straight like this, we probably go like that, and then there's the beach. Remember we went up
Yeah.
to get out, and then we went down a couple.
Not just that.
Fern Canyon.
Not just that. This trail connects. It took us what, like 30 minutes to come back to camp driving. It connects through. I want to say 6 miles.
So 4 miles there and back. So if you were camping at Elk Prairie, 8 miles to hike to Fern Canyon, which you're up there, you're saying that's crazy.
We're here to chill though. Today, anyway. Yeah, and you'll, like I said, research.
We had survived to get home. You know what I mean? Like we couldn't just like not like.
Yeah, especially when you go one way. Remember that you gotta come back. What was that? Side trail?
That's like super good. Jump into. It's a little deep. Looks like maybe 4 feet. Let's continue on. Continue this side.
Little campfire center.
Mm-hmm. You know, where the rangers do talks when non-COVID's going on.
Real life. I guess we took the right way, guys. Or did I cut us going the wrong way? You'll never know. We took the right way. Look at that. How come they say babbling water? It's the same word for a babbling baby. Very different sounds, guys. Very different. One's calming, the other one's costing you monies.
I'm gonna go there, but I'm just saying it might be closed.
Let's try this nature trail.
Actually, no. Let's go to the visitor center. That it's closed, and on our way back, we'll just hit this. Yeah.
Planning.
Plan E.
No, planning.
Oh.
Plan E.
I said plan E.
We've gone through a few plans.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
It's worth it, guys. Look at that.
Yeah, it was like a long trip. This makes it worth it. Nothing else there.
Look at that.
Fucking cool. Oh, there's a fire.
Tree vagina.
There's a fire in here.
Oh. Actually, fires help big trees because it reinforces the insides.
Help you.
Somehow. I don't know.
Communicate with you a little bit better.
Yeah. I'll post some info in there. Look at how tall that bitch is. It's like we're in a cave now. See? It's dark. Turn your light off. Dark.
Cool.
Do you want a picture in the tree vagina?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The king salmon, or not king, but I know they come up from the lake. It says use your phones to listen. It's like more of a sound thing.
Oh.
These salmon leave the ocean on a perilous journey upstream, where they lay their eggs. God damn, after giving life, these exhausted fish die.
Oh shit, what the
Their decaying bodies add important nutrients to the ecosystem. Damn.
Okay, that's worse than ladies having babies. Can you imagine ladies have a baby and then just die?
A lot of animals can do that though.
We should get salmon condoms then. Prevent them from dying. No?
You know, this walk in the redwoods too.
Do they die? I'd say this trail is easy, level, no real elevation.
I like hard long trails, but to be honest, I do like the trails with information and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Oh, what a fucker, dude. If it wasn't COVID right now, I don't have anything to pick that up. I don't have, do you have a bag? You don't have anything on you?
No.
I don't want to touch something like that in someone's mouth right now.
Or ever.
Yeah, I mean, but if it's non-COVID, I still would pick it up and throw it away, but...
Oh, let's smell, guys.
Oh yeah, see, this was a tree, and now all this stuff is growing from it. I call them nurse logs. Pretty cool. Just remember when you take really long videos, it takes up a lot of space on your phone too, love.
Tacos and well, we'll go to the store real quick. We'll come back and make some tacos. Sound good?
Tacos, the food of my people.
Yeah.
Chicken.
And then if we get hungry tonight, we still have leftover hot dogs. We can make up a quick hot dog snack.
What do you guys recommend for camping meals?
Drop it in the comments.
Leave it in the comments. For some reason yesterday on our drive, story time, we we left put our supplies at home.
Whole meal worth of stuff.
And trying to figure out what to eat for dinner. For some reason, I was literally blanking on any type of food. Like, all I could think was hamburgers and hot dogs. Didn't want to have a generic hamburger. We already had tacos planned. We had steak that we left behind with some side potatoes.
Yeah, I'll take it over to your house.
You want to take one meat for dinner?
Yeah, no, but I'm giving the people what they want.
Yeah, I was just I was giving you what you want.
So let us know, what do you guys suggest? Next time for Grand Canyon, gonna do a little couscous and salmon, because we fancy. And asparagus. Not sure what our other meal. Usually we do 2 dinners. Show you guys. Actually, next time I'll do a little camp. What is it? What I ate in a day. I'll do a what I eat in a trip. Camp style. You guys can take some tips. Usually, some junk food.
Except for the dinners. Our dinners are usually.
Our dinners are probably healthier than our dinners at home. And
Well, they are.
here we are, rolling up to the visitor center. It's a short, not too bad hike, guys, huh? My arm is tiring. So that's what the trail
James Irvine Trail, yeah.
connects from the other trail. Bunch of trails. Mostly that's what there is to do here. They do have a beach area, so not really beachy like Huntington Beach, just viewing pleasures. And you know, chilling, making barbecue, little picnics. Here we are, coming in from the back. It's dark, everything's turned off. Thanks COVID. You can see inside. I'm gonna say those are elk antlers, elk horns. Oh, gotta get my face mask. See you guys soon.
Yeah, and if you're heading south down in through Humboldt still, are you or going north?
We are from south, so we're gonna be heading back down south.
Okay, because this one's a real cool one. This one, that 25 fun things to do in Humboldt. Here, I don't have to torn up. It shows a lot of fun things. It shows Willow Creek, the Bigfoot Museum.
The Bigfoot Museum.
That's over at Willow Creek. And you're welcome to take a postcard. We got some free postcards right
Oh,
here.
alright, yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah.
Thank you, Oric, Chamber of Commerce.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Lots of
Appreciate that.
activities
Have a
to
good day.
do. Like I said, park people always the nicest. Cool shirt. Face mask. Let me know he is
Yeah,
a
we need
homie.
to get our stamp thing, dude. They're stamping still.
I wasn't even filming all of that. I'll just say that there was a lot of cool info that I didn't film. But every state park, national park, we like to get stickers. I know people have a tradition of either getting little stamps in their passport book. We do stickers. We'll show it later. We'll add it to our camp stove or in our cooler, one of each.
You wanna, I don't know, there's a trail this way or?
look, they have a little bebes.
Can you hold this? I'm gonna take my jacket off. I'm getting hot.
Put a wet hat on if it's hot.
You do that with a normal hat too.
Well, I'm just saying, but like, look at your.
It's a seasonal bridge since it's so low. It floods, so.
This is pretty hard wood though.
That's what she said. She beat me. Nice. To the fire we go. Fire.
This is coffee and where are we at?
Prairie, redwoods.
I knew you were gonna mess it up. Prairie Creek Redwood State Park.
So you did it on purpose?
Yes. Should have maybe put more coffee in this, but
It's murdered
it's
out.
murdered out, so it'll be black. We got our